Hey YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling to grow your YouTube channel or wondering why some videos get millions of views while others flop, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into how the YouTube algorithm actually works, and more importantly, how it can help you get more views. So if you're ready to crack the code and grow faster, make sure you watch this video till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. What is the YouTube algorithm? The YouTube algorithm is the brain behind what shows up on your feed, the host explains. It decides what to recommend, what appears next, and even what comes up when you search. It's not just one algorithm, it's actually a combination of systems working together to keep viewers watching. And guess what? The algorithm's goal is simple: keep people on YouTube for as long as possible. The host continues, saying that if your content can keep people watching, engaging, and coming back for more, the algorithm will reward you with more views, more reach, and potentially viral success. 2. How it recommends videos. Let's talk about recommendations. The host explains informatively. Most views come from YouTube suggesting videos, not just search. If your video matches a viewer's interests, like if they've been watching videos about cooking, travel, tech, or gaming, the algorithm will try suggesting your video to them. The host continues, still informative, saying that's why thumbnails, titles, and topics matter. Your content must look clickable and relevant to what people are already watching. The algorithm watches watch history, likes, and searches to decide who gets what. Here's a quick tip: use trendy topics, but make sure they match your niche. Don't just chase views, attract the right audience. Watch time equals more views. One of the biggest factors in the algorithm is watch time. The host explained that's how long someone stays on your video. The longer they watch, the more valuable YouTube thinks your content is. The host continued that if you hook your viewers in the first 15 seconds, deliver your value fast, and keep them watching until the end, you're telling the algorithm, this is a high-quality video, show it to more people. Here's a quick tip: start your video with a strong hook, avoid long intros, and keep energy high. Use B-roll, captions, music, and jump cuts to keep things engaging. Engagement boosts reach. The next big thing is engagement. That includes likes, comments, shares, and people subscribing after watching your video, the host explained informatively. YouTube sees that and says, wow, people really like this. Let's push it to a bigger audience. The host encouraged viewers to always be reminded to like and comment, but to do it naturally. He suggested asking a question, getting feedback, or encouraging interaction. Quick tip: use a pinned comment with a question related to the video. It encourages people to respond and boosts your engagement signals. And don't forget to remind your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe naturally. Search optimization. YouTube is also the second biggest search engine after Google, the host explained informatively. They emphasized not to ignore the power of YouTube SEO. If someone searches for how to lose weight, best phone 2025, or how to grow on YouTube, and your video pops up, that's thanks to good optimization. The host continued educationally, advising to use keywords in your title, description, and tags. They recommended adding timestamps, subtitles, and even including your keywords in the spoken audio of the video. As a helpful tip, they suggested using tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to research keywords that people are actively searching for in your niche. 6. Personalized and suggested videos. You know that section on the right side of the screen, the Up Next list? The host explained that's the power of the suggested video algorithm. It puts your video next to similar videos people are already watching. The host further mentioned that if your video relates to what's trending or has a similar title or topic to a popular video, YouTube might place your video next in line. As a helpful tip, the host advised to use the same tags and keywords as big channels in your niche. Also, to make series or playlists to keep viewers binge watching. 7. Consistency and long-term algorithm power. Here's the best part: the algorithm doesn't just care about one video. The host explained that it watches your entire channel behavior. If you post consistently and keep viewers coming back, your channel gains authority. The host encouraged viewers by saying some videos even blow up months later. That's because YouTube continues testing your videos with different audiences, especially evergreen content that never goes out of style. The host advised, quick tip, post at least once a week, stick to one niche, and make content that stays relevant over time. So there you have it, friends. The YouTube algorithm is not your enemy. It's a powerful engine that rewards creators who deliver value, consistency, and engagement. If you focus on making great content for the right audience, the algorithm will take care of the rest. What part of the algorithm do you want to master next? The host asked, inviting you to let them know in the comments. They reply to everyone. If you found this helpful, the host encouraged you to smash that like button, subscribe for more growth tips, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and the host will see you in the next video.